Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, my name is Richa. Today I am going to discuss about finger millet. Finger millet is commonly known as Ragi. Nutritional value of finger millet. Finger millet is highly valued for its nutritional content. It is a rich source of carbohydrates, dietary fiber, and essential minerals such as calcium, iron, and phosphorus. Additionally, it is relatively high in protein compared to other cereals, making it is a crucial source of nutritional, especially for vegetarians and those with limited access to animal-based protein. Health benefits of finger millet. Due to its nutritional profile, finger millet offers several health benefits. The presence of dietary fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy digestive system. It has a low glycemic index, making it an excellent option for people with diabetes or those looking to manage blood sugar levels. The grain high calcium content contributes to bone health and its iron content helps prevent anemia. Finger millet can be used in various preparations. It is commonly ground into a fine flour and used to make traditional dishes like ragi dosa, ragi roti, ragi malt, ragi cakes, ragi biscuits, and ragi upma. Finger millet is beneficial for the following groups. Lactating mothers can benefit from the nutrients in finger millet, which can be passed on to their babies through breast milk. For pregnant women, finger millet is important due to its high iron and calcium content. Finger millet is beneficial for pregnant women to meet their increased nutritional needs during pregnancy. For children, finger millet is a great source of essential nutrients like calcium, iron, and fiber, making it an excellent choice for children's growth and development. For vegetarians and vegans, finger millet is a rich source of plant-based protein and iron, making it an important food for those following vegetarians and vegan diet. For people with gluten sensitivity, finger millet is gluten-free, so it is a suitable grain for individuals with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. For diabetes, finger millet is important due to its low glycemic index, which means it can help manage blood sugar levels and it's suitable for diabetes when consumed in moderation. For people with anemia, finger millet is essential. Due to its high iron content, finger millet can be beneficial for individuals with anemia or iron deficiency. For athletes and active individuals, finger millet provides a amount of energy and nutrients, making it is a good choice for people with active lifestyle.
Audio Jungle.